So this morning I decided I want to try to build back up my motorcycle battery. So I cleaned it up, worked on all the terminals, at least a reasonable extent, then filled it with distilled water. But then going to my bike, as you can see, the battery is out. Going to my bike, out of curiosity, I decided to check something. So this, as you can see, the battery is out. I hooked my voltmeter to the two cables of the battery. The ignition is off, but then look at my voltmeter. My voltmeter is telling me one way or the other there is 12 volts running in this battery, in this motorcycle. So if I turn on my ignition, it kind of like drains out that entire voltage. I don't know why, but then let's see. Let me just assume starting the motorcycle. You see that? You see that? Okay, so let's do this. Off. And there we go. So what exactly is this? Can someone explain what is happening here? Literally, why would a motorcycle that is off be generating 12 volts from the battery terminal? Literally, why? There's no battery on the motorcycle and my meter is reading 12 volts. So can someone please explain what is happening to me? I really want to know.